Confirmed, LeBron James lilipat sa Philadelphia 76ers. Tapos na yung 3 week na free agency saga. July 24, 2026 in-announce ni LeBron mismo ang 2-year, $8 million contract with player option sa year 2. Hindi para sa pera, sabi niya mismo, "This is my last decision. I'm not going for money. I still want to compete, to win and to have a chance at the feeling of winning another championship." Bakit sa Philadelphia lilipat? Isang super team na binuo, kaka-trade lang ng Sixers kay Jaylen Brown from Boston kapalit ni Paul George dagdag 4 picks. Kasama na rin nila Joel Embiid, Tyrese Maxey, at VJ Edgecombe. Sina Maxey, Embiid at Brown mismo ang nag-recruit kay LeBron. "I believe I can help make the Philadelphia 76ers a championship team and I am so excited to energize a new fan base." Tumaas from 20 hanggang 1-10 hanggang 1 ang title odds ng Sixers after ng signing. Ano ang magiging papel ni LeBron sa 76ers? Ang magiging projected starting 5 ay sina Tyrese Maxey, VJ Edgecombe, Jaylen Brown, LeBron James, at Joel Embiid. Ang magiging role niya ay ang pagiging veteran playmaker, secondary scorer, at championship experience. Last season with Lakers nakapagtala siya ng 20.9 PPG, 7.2 APG, 6.1 RPG in 60 games, 22nd straight All-Star pa rin siya. Sabi ni LeBron, "I thought I was done. I was pretty sure I played my last game, pero nag-decide pa rin maglaro." Nasa shortlist din Cleveland, Miami, at Golden State. Sabi ni LeBron sa X, "Thank you LA. Miami I'll forever love and Northeast Ohio will always home." Ang bottom line nito ay nag-take si LeBron ng malaking pay cut from $52.6 million last year to $8 million total para lang magka-chance sa 5th ring.